How to dilute a stock solution without equation? For diluting stock solution, we use this equation C1V1 is equal to C2V2. Sometimes it is a bit confusing. Let me explain with a simple example. So this is a phosphate buffer, a very common reagent used in laboratory, 0.2 molar stock solution. Suppose in an experiment we need 100 ml of 10 millimolar of this buffer. What we normally do is we will be using this equation C1V1 is equal to C2V2. Here we are not using that. Instead we use this equation. The equation is the requirement or whatever is required by divided by stock. Let me repeat. Whatever is required by stock. Now let us substitute the value. Here the requirement is 10 millimolar and we need 100 ml. So these are the requirements. The stock concentration is 0.2 molar, but we require millimolar concentration. So we need to convert this molar concentration to millimolar concentration by multiplying with 1000. So it will be 200 millimolar. The numerator and the denominator, the unit should be the same. So required is 10 millimolar into 100 ml. By stock, that is 200 millimolar. It will be 1000 by 200, that is 5 ml. Now what we do is measure 5 ml from this 0.2 molar stock, phosphate buffer stock solution. Then add 95 ml of distilled water to make up the final volume to 100 ml. This is how we dilute a stock solution without this equation C1V1 is equal to C2V2. Now let us see why we need a stock solution. This is a requirement of MS medium, a very common medium in plant tissue culture. So there are different classes, macronutrients, micronutrients, vitamins, chelated iron, etc. So we'll be focusing on macronutrients only. So there are different chemicals under macronutrients, ammonium nitrate, potassium nitrate, etc. So we need to weigh out 1650 mg per liter. So this is the concentration needed for preparing MS medium. We will be preparing a stock solution of these macronutrients. Often the stock solution is 20x. That means 20 times concentrated. All these chemicals, suppose ammonium nitrate, it will be 1650 into 20 mg. That will be dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. That makes it 20x. So all these chemicals are weighed out and dissolved in 1 liter. That makes 20x stock solution. Or a stock solution is a concentrated solution that is prepared and stored for later use. We will be diluting it to a lower concentration to create a working solution for further experiments. So we have a 20x stock solution of macronutrients of the MS medium. The advantage of having a stock solution is it saves time. As you see, there are many chemicals. Weighing out each chemicals each time, it's a tedious process. So it saves time. Secondly, there are many chemicals here, so weighing out exactly these chemicals, there can be chances of error. So if we prepare a stock solution, it increases accuracy and also the consistency of the solution. The third thing is it reduces chemical wastage. If we are preparing these every day, we need to open these chemicals each day and weigh it out. So there can be loss of chemicals or damage of chemicals when continuously exposed to air. So it is time saving, it reduces errors, also helps in reducing wastage of chemicals. Now let me leave you with a question. So we have prepared a 20x stock solution of macronutrients. How much volume of 20x stock solution is required to prepare 100 ml of medium? You can use our equation that is required by stock. Comment your answer. Hope you are benefited from this video. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.